Hey everybody, it's Sean from BusyBox, and today we're going to take a look at using a clip from our Glitter and Glitz volume inside Apple Motion to spice up a fashion shot. We'll take this highly artistic fashion shot and frame it up with a mask made of glitter. So let's get started by going over to the My Downloads section of busybox.com and choosing Volume 9, Glitter and Glitz. There are more than 100 options to choose from. We're looking for something with gold overtones to match our model and most motion on one side, so we can create the framing with our mask. Fancy Shines 29 will work. Downloading is as easy as clicking the download arrow button. And once we've imported our clips into Motion, we'll drag our footage to our HD timeline. We'll size down our footage to fit our HD frame, about 50%. Then we can drag our glitter clip on top of that. And you can change the blend mode to screen or add. Screen looks a bit too bright, so we'll go with add for this example. Let's turn off our footage so we can concentrate on making our glitter frame. Click on the glitter clip and hit Command D to duplicate. Now, change the scale on the duplicate to -100. This will flip it to the other side. Then we'll go ahead and slide the two glitter clips apart, leaving some space in the middle with very light action. You can keep them centered or experiment with moving them around. Since they're 4K in an HD frame, you have plenty of space. Now click on the group containing the glitter, and we're going to draw a circle mask. And position it at or near the center of the frame. Then we'll need to go to the Mask tab to invert it. And let's turn our footage back on so we can see how the mask frames her. Then go to the mask and feather it. If you use the slider, you can only go to 100, so we're going to type in a value of 400 to get a large amount of feather. It looks pretty good. Since her face moves a bit from the center, we'll add some subtle motion by animating the position of the mask as she moves. So click on the mask layer and go to its Properties tab and set a position keyframe at the start. Then we'll scrub down the timeline and move the mask to contain her face as she moves. Motion will set a new keyframe each time you change the position of the mask. Now, depending on your subject, you can do this for every frame if you need to. We're just going to use a few points for this example to illustrate the concept. Okay, and let's check the final look. Stylish. In just a few minutes, you can create a glamorous frame for your subject using Glitter and Glitz from BusyBox.